Hi, today we are diving into the world of sourcing agents in China, which can turn your business dreams into reality. But how do you find the right one? Let's find out. So, first of all, what exactly is a sourcing agent? Think of them as your personal shopper in the vast marketplace of China. They help you find the best products, negotiate prices, and ensure quality. Navigating the Chinese market can be overwhelming. A sourcing agent can save your time, money, and a lot of headaches. Plus, they know the ins and outs of the local business scene. But not all agents are the same. Watch out for these three most important red flags: unrealistic promises, lack of transparency, and poor communication. Start your search online. Look for agents with good reviews and a solid online presence. Trade shows and business forums are also a great place to network. When you are looking for an agent, always consider experience in your industry, clear communications on channels, and a solid understanding of your needs. Once you have got a short list, it's time to interview. Ask about their process, past clients, and how they handle issues. Once you have found the one, it's contract time. Make sure everything is clear and in writing, from fees to responsibilities. Remember, this is a partnership. Feed that relationship with regular communication and mutual respect. And let's talk about mistakes. Yeah, mistakes can happen to anyone. That's why experience is so important. Common mistakes include not setting clear expectations, time to deliver, quality, and not visiting the factory sometimes can become a break in these expectations. Try to avoid these mistakes. Hiring an agent with knowledge and experience in Chinese market and local laws. Finding a reliable sourcing agent in China is all about research, communication, and trust. Do your homework and you will be on your way to success. If you need more details about our service, please check the description, hit the like if this was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. For any questions, leave in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'm Italo from Sourcing Yuan, and I see you next time.